Hey guys, DPG here, and I want to help you dramatically increase the quality of your auditions, which is going to lead to getting lots more auditions and, of course, booking more acting jobs. So the way to dramatically increase the quality of your auditions is to prep yourself first with 3 simple questions, and then after you're done the audition, ask those questions to yourself again, like, did I do what I set out to do? So the 3 questions you should ask yourself are, first of all, what is the purpose of the scene? Why does it exist at all? And in that scene, you're going to look at all the information that the scene provides, and that is literally the purpose, okay? So the purpose of the scene is to provide the information that is contained within this scene. And also you can ask yourself, what is the emotional purpose of the scene? What is it trying to create within the viewers themselves? Okay, second thing is, what is the purpose of the character that you are reading for? Everything fits within a puzzle. And if you can establish why your particular character exists, it could be only to deliver the information that is in that scene, but you need to establish that. Why does this character exist? Why could they not get away with doing this scene without this character in it? So there's a crucial role that you will see creates the need for your character to be there. And then finally, how does your character deliver the information they are there to deliver? Okay? What is their emotional through line? How do they feel about what they are saying or what they are explaining or whatever it is they're doing in the scene? Okay? Those simple 3 questions. What's the purpose of the scene? What's the purpose of the character? And how does the character deliver their information? Ask yourself that when you prepare. Then do the audition. Then after the audition, ask yourself, okay, the purpose of the scene was ... Did I fulfill that purpose by doing what I did? The purpose of the character was ... The character was there because. Did I fulfill that reason? And third, the character's emotional through line is ... Did I bring it to life that way? Did I fully commit to those 3 things? And if so, I have done my job. And if not, why not? Okay, what else could I have done better? Did I not commit properly? Did I sort of sit on the fence and couldn't make up my mind, or just thought, I'm scared, I'm nervous? Did I go for it? Did I give them every possible reason to hire me to do this job and leave no reason not to hire me to do this job? Because that's all you can control. So try that. Ask yourself those 3 questions before the audition, and then ask yourself after the audition, did you fulfill those 3 reasons for you being there and doing what you're doing and how you're doing it? And ask yourself if there was any room for improvement and what you can learn for the next time. Because if you take out learnings from every single audition, your acting and auditioning abilities will skyrocket. They will go through the roof. Okay, guys, that's all I've got for you for now. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, comments, put them in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, share, click the bell for notifications to see more videos like this. And just have an amazing acting career, and let's all work together to help one another in our acting careers. I will talk to you soon.